Welcome to this Fantaskool tutorial on subject management. Adding subjects is a fundamental step in setting up your academic structure. We'll explore two efficient methods to add subjects to your school system. Step 1. Administrator access. Begin by logging into your Fantaskool administrator account using your credentials to access the main dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to subject management. From your dashboard, locate and click on Management in the sidebar navigation. From the drop-down menu, select Subject to open the Subject Management interface. Two methods for adding subjects. The system offers two flexible approaches for adding subjects to accommodate different administrative preferences. Method 1. Bulk import via Excel. For adding multiple subjects efficiently, select the appropriate class for which you want to import subjects. Choose the Import option to upload subjects via Excel spreadsheet. Download the sample Excel template provided. This ensures proper formatting and prevents errors. Fill in the template with your subject information following the required format. Upload your completed Excel file to import all subjects simultaneously. Method 2. Manual entry. Individual subjects. For adding subjects one by one, you'll need to complete the following required fields. Subject name. Enter the full name of the subject, e.g., Mathematics, English Literature. Subject coefficient. Assign the weight, importance value for the subject. Teaching staff. Select the teacher assigned to this subject. Subject code. Enter a unique identifier if required, e.g., Math 101, ENG 201. Class. Specify which class this subject is taught in section. Choose the specific section where the subject is offered. Maximum evaluation score. Set the highest possible score for assessments in this subject. Step 3. Save your subject. After completing all required information, click the Save button to add the subject to your system. Best practices. Consider these tips for effective subject management. Use the bulk import method when setting up multiple subjects for new academic years. Use manual entry for individual subject additions or modifications. Always download and use the sample template to avoid import errors. Ensure subject codes are unique and follow your school's naming conventions. Verify coefficient values align with your grading system. Whether you choose bulk import or individual entry, Fantaskool's subject management system provides the flexibility to efficiently organize your academic curriculum while maintaining accurate records for grading and reporting.